Breaking news, Bitcoin has just done something so out of the ordinary, so crazy, so unique, something that it hasn't done in 5 years. It hasn't done this move that it just did since 2020. And I need to tell you what happened after it did said move because it was ridiculous and nobody was ready for it. Warning, time is running out. The sale is about to end. Don't miss out. Do you wish you were making more money in crypto? Do you want to recover those bad losses? Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone?
I had major problems with my investments.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
I was just investing my money and just throwing it into the abyss.
The key is right here in front of you.
Get money-making buy and sell alerts directly to your phone.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
So easy to understand. This was literally changing my life. It was changing my family's life.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today. By the way, here's the best part. If you sign up right now, you're going to unlock 1 year of Bitcoin and altcoin live trading sessions completely free.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.
Now here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the 2-week chart. And on the 2-week chart, we're gonna circle our attention to the middle of our screen in today's video because this is the RSI. The RSI on the 2-week chart has just dipped its toe into this territory. Now you'll notice we've only been in this territory a handful of times. We did it back in the day of 2011. We did it back in the days of 2015. We did it back in the days of 2018. We dipped our toe below back in the COVID crash of 2020, which we just discussed. And then we did it back in the days of 2022. Now, I'm about to really set the record straight here because you can see we did it once, twice, 3, 4, and 5 times. You'll notice that out of these 5 times that we dipped our toe into this area, all of them were the market cycle bottom except one. This was the market cycle bottom of 2011 when we dipped our toe below here in the RSI. It was the absolute bottom of the market. Fast forward to 2015, we dipped our toe below here when we were just about near the bottom, and we dipped our toe back here at the absolute bottom. In other words, the first time we dipped our toe below here was the absolute bottom. When we dipped our toe below here, it was just before the absolute bottom and the absolute bottom. How about in 2018? We dipped our toe below here at the absolute bottom. So 3 examples so far, 2 of them were at the absolute bottom. The third one included the absolute bottom and just before the absolute bottom. I want you to keep this on record because those are the first 3 times we dipped our toe into that area. Now, the next time was the outlier, right? This was not at the market cycle bottom. This was a fluke. This was an absolute fake out of the market and one of the biggest extremes we had ever seen. You see, back in the COVID crash, everybody thought it was going to be significantly worse, that things were going to get into an absolute bloodbath, that things were just going to be crazy. Hey, if you wanted to sign up to my indicator bundle, but it's too much money, I have good news later in the show. But the absolute opposite happened. The market exploded, and it exploded quickly and with absolute force. Okay? So that was the outlier. That was not at the market cycle bottom. Fast forward to the next data point. It was literally right at the market cycle bottom and just before it. In other words, out of the 5 times we dipped our toe below there, 4 of them were at the absolute market bottom, or worst case, right before that. I can unequivocally say right now, we are not at the market cycle bottom and we're not right before it. That we can say. We can't say anything in trading and investing with certainty, but whatever is right below certainty, that's where we are. It would be the most unlikely scenario that we are at the market cycle bottom or right near it. You may have heard people say that we are at a local bottom or an interim bottom. Sure, that's a possibility. But the market bottom? No. The market bottom is something that I've studied years and years and charts and charts and charts. We're not there, period. We're not. So we've got 5 data points. 4 of them were at the absolute market cycle bottom or right before, and 1 was this huge fake out. 1 was this area of like, let me throw extreme fear into the market and make everybody believe that it's going to get way, 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 way worse, when it was just the final flush out before a pump. Okay. And this is not my opinion. That's what happened. We fell all the way to 3,000 and then we went up to 70 after dipping our toe here. That's not what I thought was going to happen or some hope or some crystal ball. That's literally what happened. So we just dipped our toe into that area. Okay. You make of it what you wish. I'm just telling you, from a historical standpoint, you typically want to make moves that the vast majority are not. You want to go against the herd. And when you have the RSI suggesting that there's a lot of fear, and you know there's a lot of fear in the market, and you look at the data and the data is screaming something.
From Mark, Steve's education made all the difference. We profited $50,000. From Dr. George, in just 1 week, I made $70,000 profit using Steve's indicators. Carl, I made 300% trade with his system. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Don't miss out. Clock is ticking.
You should probably trust the data. Once again, this is not a chart of what's going to happen tomorrow. This is a 2-week chart. I don't care what's going to happen tomorrow. I have no interest in that. I really have almost zero interest of what's going to happen next week or next month. I honestly don't. And if you follow my channel, you know that unequivocally. I care about the next handful of years, right? And more so the next 10. I'm really focused on the next 10, but I care a little bit about the next handful of years. So if you have that mindset, you close your eyes and you listen to the chart. Okay. So if you wanted to sign up to my indicator bundle, but it's too much money, here is the good news. Since the beginning of this company, we have always helped every single person in need. So if you are a single mom, a single dad, a vet, somebody who's disabled, somebody who's in a really tough financial situation, or somebody just from a less fortunate country, and you're overwhelmed with the market, this will give you clarity. Send me an email right now. I have helped every single person in need, and we will continue to do so. Email me now, info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Tell me your situation, and I will help every single person in need. What I will say is nobody knows if the top is in. Nobody knows what's going to happen next. Nobody knows anything that is in the future for cryptocurrency. But what we do know is the facts in this chart are saying it might be time to do the opposite of the herd. Warning, time is running out. The sale is about to end. Don't miss out.
I had major problems with my investments.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
Do you want to recover those bad losses? Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone?
The key is right here in front of you.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.